Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the water reservoir tray in your ice machine, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply to the appliance. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the screws securing the access cover to the control panel. You can use a putty knife to help pry the cover free. Disconnect the ice bin thermistor wire connector, along with the cutting grid wire connector. Next, unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the grid to the bracket and liner. With the screws unthreaded, you can slide out the grid. Unthread the drain cap to drain any water that may be in the reservoir tray. Detach the reservoir fill tube from the circulation pump cover, then pull the cover forward to remove. Disconnect the reservoir drain pump wire connector and use needle nose pliers to help detach the connector from the circulation pump mounting tray. Next, unthread the screw to release the reservoir assembly. Detach the distribution tube from the circulation pump. Depress the tab to disconnect the circulation pump wire connector. Next, cut the zip tie securing the circulation pump mounting tray to the reservoir distribution tray. Depress the tabs to release the mounting tray and remove the reservoir tray assembly. Now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the screw to release the drain pump retainer. Rotate the drain pump to remove. Pull out the impeller and rotor from the housing if necessary. Prepare the new water reservoir tray for installation by transferring the drain tube from the old tray to the new one. You can use a flathead screwdriver to help pry the tube off of the drain. Now insert the drain pump impeller and rotor into the reservoir housing. With the connection wire facing the rear, position the pump. Align the retainer and thread the screw. Reposition the circulation pump mounting tray on the reservoir tray and snap it into place. Use a new zip tie to secure. Connect the circulation pump wire connector. Reattach the distribution tube to the circulation pump. Snap the drain pump wire connector into the circulation pump tray. Reposition the reservoir assembly and replace the mounting screw. Connect the drain pump wire connector. Reposition the circulation pump cover and secure the fill tube. thread on the drain cap. Before you reinstall the cutting grid, make sure the right side spacer is intact. Now align the grid on the bracket and liner, then thread the mounting screws. Reconnect the cutting grid wire connector, along with the thermistor wire connector. Reinstall the access cover by aligning the bottom edge first, so the ice scoop housing rests on the top of the cover. Secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and your ice machine should be ready for use.